is cold. It is windy. I think it's 28 degrees right now, and it is disgusting. Feels a lot colder. All I got today is, I apologize for the wind. All I have left today is to crank it over again and start. Is a catch can, which is already falling. So I was informed that this has to be higher than the actual point over here, but I mean, this is, I can't get it higher. I just don't know where else to put it besides here. Truly, I think that's the only spot that I can put it, because I don't want to run anything else over on this side. This side is all right. I still have to do so much over here as far as management, wire management. It's just not going to work. So I feel like I'm just going to send it, throw it over here. I'll just keep an eye on it, whether it fills up super fast or not. It is what it is. And then for the cooling system, I'm still waiting on parts for that, so that's going to remain as is for now. There's no coolant right now in the car, or if there is, it's very little. I can't even use distilled water right now just because it is below freezing. I just don't want to risk anything. Other than that, yeah, that's it. I'm going to go ahead and use this mounting location right here. Like I said, it is going to fill up fast. It is going to be rather annoying, but it is one of the only spots. I mean, I could probably maybe do something up here. Let me take this up here in this location, but then I have to redo it, a lot of other lines. It just makes a little bit sense of location-wise to put it back there. If I think of something else in the future, I'll just move it, but as of right now, I do like it right there. Just, you know, it is what it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started on that. I'm fucking cold. I'll check back in. Oh, all right. So all I did was just drill that out, put a bolt through it, put a washer and a nut, and that's just gonna hold it there. That's pretty much it. Pretty clean. I do want to paint this black. That'll look a lot nicer. And then now all that's left is to make my hole and then drill it out on the car and bolt it up. Okay. Time to start the car. I think everything's good. It is somewhat dry underneath. Who knows? Let's just get a first start here. Going over the basics. I ain't gonna lie, I'm kind of nervous, but you know, last time it almost caught fire, but everything seems to be connected and not touching the manifold. All my sensors, purge, nothing touching here. Gas line connected. That is always important. That is not touching either. Ow. Very fucking close, but we're good. Catch can tightened down, oil line tightened down. I mean, it's a little bit close, but it should be okay. All right, fuck it. Let's just go for it. Gotta stop being a bitch. That is so smooth. That is so smooth. Oh shit. Oh yes. Wait a minute. Okay. Oh shit, let's go. Just water. That's just heat. Cycling the Cerakote. Oh my god, let's go. Oh, fuck yes. Oh my god. That was perfect. That sounded so good. Holy shit. That's just the Cerakote burning off. Oh my god. Yo, let's fucking go. Oh shit. That sounded so good. That sounded perfect. Yeah, wow. I do have some like splatter over here. I'm not sure what that is. It's black. I don't know what that is. But holy shit, dude. Leaking something right there. I think that's just condensation. Oh, that sounded like it was perfect. Like the idle was just insane. That's the best it's idled off the first two starts that I had on the car. That was the smoothest idle. And then the longest that it stayed. I don't want to run it too long because I do have to put coolant in the car and then heat cycle the Cerakote. But holy shit, dude! Wow, that's fucking great. I am so pumped. There's just a little bit of, I think all that is just condensation at the bottom. That's really warm. I can't really get my finger in there, but right here, yeah, it's just water. Oh, dude. That was so fucking good. Yo. I am pumped right now. I am pumped. I just need to go get coolant. I just want to check codes. I mean, I know I'm gonna have a fuck ton of codes. I'm not super worried about them. I just want to double check them. Read codes. We have charge, air, cooler, temperature sensor, intake sensor, and turbocharger / supercharger boost circuit A high. Okay. I'm gonna take a picture of these, and then I believe those sensors are coming from obviously this guy right there. I need to go through that. I need to see how I can mock something up. I do want to do a headlight opening on the headlight. I can't even think right now. I am psyched right now. Holy crap. I am to the moon. That was the best it's fucking sounded. Out of the other two starts. Holy shit. Man, that's a good feeling. I'm not gonna lie, that's a real dopamine hit. To have it run and idle and sound that smooth. It's just like, man. Yeah, it's just condensation. Wow. Okay. Of course, still I have no clamp down there on my pipes. Let me get under here. What do we got here? Just condensation, it looks like. Let's get under condensation. That's just condensation. That is definitely leaking up there. That Jimmy rigged fucking loop. I need to order fittings and stuff for that. I totally forgot. But that's okay. It doesn't appear like it's tight that's leaking. My drain, but I will keep an eye on that. And my feed is all the way up there. I do want to look and make sure that's not leaking as well. But all in all, just some condensation sitting. See, clamp isn't even tight there. Clamp's not tight up there. I don't even think I have a clamp on this. I don't. Wow. I am so excited. This is awesome. I'm gonna get back with you guys. I'm just gonna go through and order some fittings for the coolant loop and then the heater core loop. I need to see when those parts are getting here. I also need to order hose clamps, just some like random basic bullshit. Yeah, holy shit, dude. I'm beside myself right now about how good that sounds. I'll check back in.
Even though she is in love, I am still heartless.
Coolant, I believe I ordered. Oh, yellow or orange. One of them got disconnected, but one of the two. But that's pretty much all I'm waiting for. Man, this is insane. Whenever they deliver the parts, I'll put it together. There are no leaks under the car. There's moisture escaping, but that's normal. I think the next video, this car might be on the ground. I know I said that in this video, but can't really put it on the ground without getting those fittings on. Yeah, that's pretty much all I'm waiting on. I appreciate all the support and everything on this build so far. My motor should be shipping out Monday, so once I grab that, I don't know if anybody would be interested in a teardown of a perfectly good motor and go through the process of a machine shop and the process of putting together a motor. I'm going with the SP63 pop and drop kit, so crank and all that other stuff, pistons. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I appreciate all the support, guys. See you guys in the next one.
Even though she is in love, I am still heartless.